So today I'll be covering question 1 from Mentor 06 Snapshot, which asks us to implement a function that takes a single argument function f and a list snap inputs and returns a snapshot of f on snap inputs. A snapshot in this problem is basically just a dictionary where the keys are the provided inputs and the corresponding values are the outputs of f based on each input. And that description is a little hard to understand. They also provide a doc test where Snapshot takes in a lambda function that squares the input and a list of 1, 2, and 3. So Snapshot basically just returns a dictionary where the keys are the values of the list 1, 2, and 3, and the values mapped to those keys are the respective squares. For example, 1 is mapped to 1, 2 is mapped to 4, and 3 is mapped to 9. Just as kind of a general reminder of what a dictionary is, in Python, a dictionary is a data structure consisting of keys and values. Each key is mapped to a value, and you can obtain the values by indexing into the dictionary using the key associated with that value. For example, dict key equals value. You can also create new key value pairings by setting a key and the value of that key. For example, dict key 2 equals value 2 will give us the new dict equals key value key 2 value 2. They've given us some skeleton code to help us set the problem, and we know that in the end we're going to be returning a dictionary, so we know that Snap is meant to be a dictionary. We can initialize this empty dictionary to add all our values to, like this, just empty brackets. We know that after we initialize stop, we're probably going to use some kind of loop or conditional, and in this case, we're supposed to be populating our empty Snap dictionary, so it's probably going to be some kind of loop. We're populating the dictionary with the original values of Snap inputs as keys. So we can simply put for input in Snap inputs. Now we know that each value associated with each input is going to be the output of the function f when run through each input, as we covered before. You can create a key value pairing by indexing into the dictionary and setting it equal to the value you want. So we can put snap key, which is input, equal to some value, which is going to set the key equal to that value within the dictionary snap. Now we know that the value is going to be the result of running the input through f. So in other words, the value we want is f of the input. And we're done. We've implemented the snapshot function, so good job.